Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. Today I'm sitting in a 2025 Volkswagen Taos and I will show you which fuses to check in case your headlights are not working and you've checked the bulbs and they are good. This video should apply to these vehicles made from 2022 all the way up to 2026 and possibly newer. Also, if this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the videos, subscribing to the channel or becoming a channel member. Okay, so the headlights fuses will be in the main fuse box, which is under the front hood, just next to the battery. Right here, to remove the cover, you have two black tabs, one on this side, one on the opposite side. You just want to press them and lift up to be able to remove the cover. On the back side of the cover, you have a fuse puller you can use to remove and check the fuses. And two fuses to check will be these two blue fuses here in the middle. So the upper fuse, this is your right headlamp, and the left one, this is your left headlamp. So these two fuses. And if these are good, of course, check the bulbs. If bulbs are good, then you might have a wiring issue or something like that. But this is the first thing to check. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.